Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert a vertical line shape in Microsoft Publisher. So get ready started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show insert a vertical line shape. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for a shape option. Now click for a lines. Then insert a vertical line shape. Now going to the shape outline option. Now click for NSS color. Then again shape outline option. Now click for widget option. Then click for 6pt and click for a shape effect option. Now click for shadow. Then choose the shadow. Then again click for shape effect option. Now click for a 3D reaction rotation. Now that is, then you show insert vertical line shape in Publisher document is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.